Warning, this video is very disgusting. Watch on your own risk. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Hezron, and now we're about to react to gross mukbangs. And I saw some of the videos. I didn't see this one, but I saw maybe one eating I don't even know what it is, but it's just weird. I can tell you, it's just very, very disgusting. And bruh, I don't mean to be rude or something, but these Asians eat anything, dude. Like, they don't care what it is, they eat it. So if you're not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, and nobody talk to us, get on with the video. No! Let me put down the volume for this, because I don't want to hear them chewing it, because that's gross. An onion. She's not even enjoying it. She doesn't like it. That's not as gross. What is that? I don't even know what that is. Bro, I don't like hearing people chew. It's just so gross. Oh my god, what is that? Oh! Bro, I don't want to look at that. I don't want to look. You don't need to show the camera, just eat it. Just put it in your mouth, bro. Ah, it's moving. Ah, why you take a bite of it? Put the whole thing in your mouth. Oh my gosh, she has to take a bite of it in half. You just put the whole thing. Oh, she's dipping it into soy sauce, like. I can tell she's not enjoying it. She ain't enjoying it, she hates it. I don't care. Is that honey? Black. What? So gross. Okay, this sound's not as gross because it sounds like it's crunchy, but like those squishy sounds, I hate it. No, I don't need a close-up of her mouth. Those look like cigarettes. Is that brain? Smells like ass. I bet you it tastes like ass, bro. And not the good kind. I mean, this one's not as gross as like the bugs, the mealworm and stuff. Is she gonna eat the bees? She's eating the honey hive with the bees on it. So you can eat the stinger with... Wait, no. Yeah, those are bees, so you can eat the stinger too? What if the stinger pokes you in the tongue? Yo, that's gross. Why do you give a close-up of that? What the heck? Yo, now I'm mad at these guys. Why are you giving me a close-up of that? That's gross. It's like juice cup. Oh, I can't look at that. I can't. And she's touching it. She's playing around with it. She's slurping it up. Holy. Oh, it's still moving. It's still breathing. Bruh, it's still breathing. The octopus is not dead. Jellyfish? Dude, she's actually eating a jellyfish. She doesn't want to eat it. She ate it. Dude, I don't care how much she's putting sugar on it. A seahorse? What the heck, dude? These good. Bro, you hear that crunch though? An octopus tentacle. How much do they get paid for this? They get paid like a lot of money for this. I don't care if they give me $1 million for this. I wouldn't eat it. I wouldn't eat. Is that salmon? Okay, salmon's not bad. Salmon's like fish. Fish is not bad. I mean, octopus is disgusting, but like, I mean, some people. Yeah, that's how I feel right now, bro. Bruh, she just wants to get it over with. Thanks for tuning in, babe. Subscribe. No, I'm not subscribing. That's gross. No, I don't want to see the next video. I don't want to see the next video. Oh. Wait, how many? It's 10 minutes. This one's like 4 minutes. We'll do part 2. Let's watch part 2. Yeah, that's... Oh, wait, what? Copyright disclaimer under section 107. I'm not getting paid, so it doesn't matter for me getting copyrights. Oh my god, dude, the legs are moving. Bruh, stop. Stop showing the camera. I don't want to look at the legs moving. Is that a crab? Dude, I hate ASMRs, dude. I don't know why people watch ASMRs, dude. Is that raw meat? She has to cut herself. That's raw meat, right? You can't eat raw meat. What the heck? Bro, this girl's gonna get salamander. I don't even know what's called. Salamander or something? I don't know what it's called. But she's gonna get a disease. What's that? Is that pig? I have no idea what that is. That looks like a deformed marshmallow. Oh, juice is coming out of it, bro. Oh, I'm not looking at that. Like, with Jilly, the animals out there eating octopus and stuff, that one doesn't really bother me. It kind of bothers me, but like when they're eating worms or something, that doesn't really bother me a lot. I don't like seeing like stuff on people's face, like mayonnaise, ketchup, that stuff. I don't even know what that is on people's faces. It just grosses me out. Like when I'm eating, like my brother's eating at a table, I'm eating at a table. When I see something on his face, I'm like, bro, you got something there. And while I'm looking the other way, because I don't want to look at it. Because if I look at it, I don't want to eat it anymore. Wait, is that a raw egg?
Why? Why?
A raw egg. That has to taste gross. What's that? I have no idea what that is. Oh! These octopuses, bro! Oh, it's alive! She doesn't want to eat it. Why are you eating it, bro? Why are you... Oh, God. God help us. God help me, bro. What's that? Is that a snake? Yo, that's a...
Bruh.
Why? He kissed... What the heck, dude? These people are the weirdest I ever seen in my life, bro. He literally like... Can't wait to eat you. Bruh, it's a snake. Why would you want to eat a snake? You can't even bite into it, bro. Ah, he's eating the skin. What is that? So gross. That was the most disgusting thing I ever saw in my life, like... And the weirdest, like, he kissed the snake, like, bro, what's wrong with you? So, that was the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I didn't enjoy it at all. I hate doing this, bro. But if you want me to do more reactions like these, comment down below, subscribe, and also hit the like button. So, I don't even know what to say. I forgot how to do my outro because of this. So, I'll see you in the next one.